Now, as I told you earlier, Twitter has briefly restricted Amul's account for a post calling for the boycott of Chinese products. This post shows a dragon depicting China with TikTok at its tail end. Let's just understand exactly what happened. We've got Mr. R.S. Sodhi, the Managing Director of Amul, joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Sodhi, thank you for speaking to us here on India Today. What exactly happened, sir, with regards to Amul's Twitter account once that cartoon was posted?
Well, you see, this our Amul topical campaign,
yes,
which is around more than 55 years old, and where this girl is commenting about the mood of the nation. So this topical put on our Twitter handle, and on fourth night, some of our followers said that this our account is not accessible, and then on fifth morning when we saw it, it was not there. So we again followed the process and reactivated the account. And then we also asked Twitter to know what exactly why our account was blocked. And still we are awaiting the reply. Nothing has come. And we don't know why it was done.
So first, Mr. Sodhi, you're confirming for us now that the account is back. There's no restriction now. Secondly, you're also telling us that you sought clarity from Twitter, but there's been no comment, no communication so far from them?
Yes. Right.
Are you aware, sir, of anyone perhaps filing a complaint about this particular post and thereby Twitter taking action? Any sort of communication like that?
There may be, but we have not been forwarded any complaint or any comment or any clarification has not been sought. So we are not aware.
Okay, Mr. Sodhi, this topical cartoon that Amul keeps putting out, as you've said, it's been on for over 50 years, very, very popular in India, and very often also puts out messages that the entire nation is echoing. At a time when we're seeing a lot of tensions between India and China, do you think this was a deliberate move perhaps by Twitter?
No, I don't know exactly what is that, but I only know this Amul Butter Girl topical. I mean, she is commenting anything, everything happened, not only in India, world over. She spares none, she favors none, she fears none. And even anything happened, whether at the time of emergency or election of a president of USA or the COVID or anything happened in India, I mean, it's like Amul is a historian and she tells what nation is thinking. Because this China-India thing is on the hot. Everybody talking, like your channel is also talking. So she also started talking. So this topically like a newspaper, informing people what is the mood. Like your channel, you inform people what is happening in India, abroad. So I don't think we are favoring anybody or we are against anybody.
No, and as you pointed out, Mr. Sodhi, it's very topical. It's on current affairs and it's never really been controversial in this sense. Has this kind of a cartoon ever been blocked before on social media? And secondly, we've been seeing a lot of this kind of censoring of posts, of comments, of anything to do with China. And now this particular cartoon also facing that action.
No, our Amul Butter topical campaign has never been blocked on social media or press or the outdoor by anybody. Even if she has spoken against the administration, authority or any political party or any political Indian top bosses also, nobody has ever, blogged or tried to defame or tried to say anything against this campaign.
Okay, Mr. R.S. Sodhi, appreciate you for taking the time out and speaking to us here on India Today. It's something that the entire country has been talking about the boycott of Chinese goods. And at that time, you've got this topical cartoon from Amul, very, very famous across the country, coming out with this message that perhaps it's time to boycott Chinese goods. What's wrong with that, you might ask? But, well, we'll need to await some statement from Twitter on exactly why.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.